guys, back to another video of mine. So today we're going to be showing you how to sand this. So you'll need gloves, but these are gigantic. I'll put them on last. A mask, so you don't get like, this is sandpaper, and you don't want to get it in your mouth or anything. Then squish it. Then goggles. So then when you get your goggles, you'll have to put them on. And then put your gloves on. If you want to, if you have a hood, you can put your hood on. And then just put your gloves on. But these gloves are huge. You just wear gloves your actual size. But there's no other gloves for me, so I have to wear gigantic ones. And I almost fell there. And please don't mind the banging. And like, you can use a normal sander or electric one if you have one. And then like, I practiced getting those bumpy bits. But one of those bits where I'm using kinda that the sander thing kinda got stuck a little, so it couldn't go through the whole thing, one of them. So then this is, I think, the one I got kinda stuck, it kinda got stuck in. Or if it isn't, it'll be, no, it's not this one, it's the next one, I think. So then, this is the one I got stuck on. As you can see, it was struggling. So that was annoying. And, yes. So then, I had one more left. And then, like, I put my goggles up because they were so my goggles were steaming up. So then I went to pick those bits because I didn't want to sand them. So then, I don't know why I keep saying them, but after that, I didn't know how to sand like that bit there, so I was a way to sand them wrong. So then I got shown how to do it, and I was actually okay after that. Then that's what happened. So then I managed to get it right, and then I just put my goggles back on, but they were steaming so much. It was really annoying how they were steaming up. I didn't think that they would steam up, but they did. And I just don't know why. Well, they were steaming up because of how I was breathing. And like, I'll just let myself speak in the video right now.
So that's the finishing touch. Yes, it's really, I like it. I hope you like it. And I really like it. It's really nice. So this is the finishing touch. I really hope you enjoyed it. And like, yeah, I'll just let you hear my this now. Please subscribe. Please, bye.